morning, everyone. I'm here in beautiful Orange County, California, here at Innovative Results Fitness Playground, rocking it barefoot strong and excited to share with you about a very exciting event coming up here in October. This excitement is going to be centered around how the body creates stability from the ground up. We're going to explore this in 3 specific ways. So first, we're going to take a look at how the body gathers information from the ground up. Second, we're going to take a look at how the body processes and interprets this information. Third, we're going to take a look at how the body creates and coordinates tension from within. Overall, you can expect a ton of amazing and practical content all centered around the themes of brain, breath, and barefoot, and how those greatly influence the body's ability to create stability from the ground up. Earlier I mentioned that I was excited. Hopefully at this point you're excited, and if you are, you definitely want to lock down October 12th and 13th down here in Orange County, because we're going to be rocking Barefoot Training Specialist Level 1, where we're going to, like I mentioned, cover a wide range of topics that I think are going to really fill in the gaps on your thought process and help you with your client and patient programs. So you definitely don't want to miss out on this. If you have any questions, go ahead and check down some of the links and pieces I put below here. That'll give you some more information on Evidence-Based Fitness Academy as well as the workshop itself. And I'm excited, as mentioned. I hope you are, and I look forward to seeing you in a few weeks here in October 12th. See you soon.